Well, hello, pouring art people. Forgive me for being a mess. I need to go to the hairstylist and get my hair cleaned up. Plus, it's really humid out here. I don't know if this one is going to make it onto YouTube or not, but I am going to try to do some blooms today. I have not done very well at blooms so far, so, you know, if they look really terrible, then this probably won't go up. If they look kind of cool, but they don't look like blooms, I'll probably still go ahead and post it. So let's get you down. So, because I'm not very good or very experienced in both, I am going to just do it on some small 4-inch tiles. And also, I'd like to start doing some coaster sets. So if I could succeed with some 4-inch tiles, that would be a step in that direction. Now for my pillow paint, I'm using Glidden Premium, my usual. That's probably more than I need. And I'm going to start out pretty simply with some boom gel stain, hoping that if I use a pre-mixed paint, that I don't have to worry about ratios and such for the colors, that maybe that might up my odds of getting a successful bloom. And so the colors I'm using are Crab Blue, Pearlescent Teal, Pearlescent Violet, and to put a little bit of contrast in there, I'm going to use Pea Flower Orange. I've tried this before with yellow. The yellow in one of the blues likes to turn to green. So, as much as I love green, and I do love green, I do not want green in this. There's a time and a place for it. And since I'm so not talented at blowing out blues, my intention is to try to do it with a blow dryer. I don't know if that's a better idea or a worse idea, but I'm going to try it if I can get this cord undone. I might try both colors of cell activator that I've made up on this before this. I don't know. I probably will, but I'm going to try the white first. No, if I don't have much success, I might just stick with one. It concerns me because the cell activator is completely sinking. May end up having to add some more paint to it. It's mixed 3-to-1, but it doesn't look like what it's supposed to do. So we will try high fan, cold temp, and see what happens. Out of town, there's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom.
So I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
Well, we can see where all my solid activator ended up because it's all right over here. Let's see. I think the way this turned out, I would have liked it without the orange. Now the cells are completely gone. And we've got some flocking. So yeah, definitely not a success. I am going to try adding a little more white to my cell activator because apparently 3-to-1 Australian Floetrol to paint was too much. Oh, I have a feeling that was too much too. I didn't mean to put that much in it, but we will find out. Might have gone too far the other way. I put about 2 blueberries worth of paint in here, but I didn't mean to put quite that much. And I'm going to put my gloves on, which I should have already done. Oh, no, we still got some lacing popping up there. I don't think I like that orange with these other colors. I think I'd actually like green better than the orange for this. Make sure my paint is, yeah, still moving quite a bit.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get
Right, I think I'm going to call that one. Try again.
We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say. I love you from my beating heart. I love you from my beating heart. I built a
Okay, so we got a little lacy here and there. Love the colors. I just wish I could figure out this blowout part. We definitely got lacy, but the pattern is definitely not all that balloon-like. It almost kind of gives a cloud pour effect in places. Over here, it looks like a balloon pattern in here and right here, but in the middle, it's just so wide open white. I definitely like this one the best of the three. For sure. I wonder if maybe I'm not using enough stuff. I have a feeling I'm going to regret that. Gonna find out. Maybe I wasn't blowing hard enough. Maybe that was my problem. I was being too gentle. Because this one is still not perfect, but it looks like it might be the best one. Depending on how much white we get after the spin, of course. Wish it was a little brighter, more vibrant on this side, but definitely got a lot more lace. So, step in the right direction. And since I'm out of tiles, I am going to call it for tonight. I will go ahead and post that. I'm not sure if my cell activator is the right consistency. I'm very sure that the pink isn't the right consistency. First it was too thick and it ended up too thin. The pillow's fine. The boom gel's fine. So I will probably, for one, I'll use the black cell activator next time so I can tell better when I've blown out down into the pillow and when I just think I have. And the next time I use the white, I will mix an entirely fresh pack tell me what you know about blooms, what you don't know about blooms. Have you tried this yet? Do you think it's kind of, I don't know, too much work trying to figure out? If you know how to do blooms, do you see anything I'm doing wrong that you can point out? I guess I need to get you a close-up, don't I? I'm not sure how good this close-up's going to be because I don't have room to put them all over here. But we will see how it does on the other ones. But here's the one I just did, and in my opinion, the best one of the night. Oh, the glare. Let me see if I can cut that down some for you. Still some, but so see, lots of lacing in this one. Because I blew a little harder, so that's one thing I was doing wrong, is I was blowing too soft. So afraid of blowing into the pillow. I like that corner right there a lot. So that one's the best one. Then I would say, let's see if I can get the flash on here. No, my battery's too low to use the flash, so I'm sorry about the light. This is second for sure. And then I'd say this one here is not horrible. That one, and that one, I should have just recorded it, and I may still, but I don't feel like doing it right now. That's my least favorite, I think. And this one, as a bloom, I don't like it at all, but it's kind of got a cloudy effect, and I really like the colors in it. I really like the way it turned out. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, dislike, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you'd like to get notified when my videos come out on Fridays. And I will catch you later.